Today we're talking to you about hydrophobic coatings and how to remove it from the windshield before doing a windshield repair. So you might ask yourself, what is a hydrophobic coating? Well, I'm going to read directly from Rain-X. Rain-X says it repels rain by causing water to bead up and roll away. So today we're going to actually coat this windshield with some Rain-X, and then we're going to remove it from the windshield. So let's get started.
Per Rain-X, it says spray directly onto the surface of the vehicle's glass and wipe dry with a microfiber towel. As you can see, the hydrophobic coating has been applied and the water beads up and rolls down the glass. Now let's jump into a couple of ways on how you can remove the coating from the glass. The heat from the moisture evaporator will burn away any coating in a matter of seconds. Also, you can use pit polish, pumice, or cerium oxide to remove the treatment prior to doing the repair. But the simplest, fastest, and most effective way to remove hydrophobic coatings is to scrub the glass surface around the damaged area with steel wool quad eye prior to beginning the windshield repair process. As you can see, the coating has been removed, and if you're going to do a windshield repair, you're ready to rock and roll. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.